Respected everyone, white means purity and also a symbol of our medical profession. Army is well known for discipline. Yes, the White Army is a band of like-minded, disciplined medicos for better healthcare in our country. It's indeed a revolution in our medical field, medical education, in fact. Today, it's a really blessed moment for us. On this 75th, to commemorate the 75 years of freedom, on this auspicious Independence Day, the White Army is launching its own Android application, to all-in-one application. It's for free medical education of all our medicos throughout the country and abroad as well. Since long, we started this White Army 6 years ago with one WhatsApp group consisting of around 60 members. Now it's reached up to 60,000 members. In a matter of last 1 year or so, we have got more than 55,000 members to the army. And more than everything, today we are very privileged to share with you all. And also we all know that we have been seeing them regularly. The White Army, the best part about the White Army is we are blessed to have best of the best teachers of our profession with us today. As chief guest today for this session, we have none other than legendary Chandra Madam, Professor Emeritus Chandra SR Madam. She is retired from NIMANS, Bangalore. Now she is serving in a Ramakrishna Hospital in Trivandrum. And also very well-known face in our country. All the medical students, all invariably one or the other way taught by Chandra Madam in our country. So we are very blessed indeed to have you, Madam, today to inaugurate our LAMP app with us. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
We also have yet another legendary figure with us. Yes, pediatrics means Amdekar sir. It's such a synonym. Okay. Yashwant Amdekar sir is a medical director of Vadia Hospital, Mumbai, and also a legend in the field. His passion for the teaching is unimaginable. He is with us today. So, sir, on behalf of all the members of White Army, we wholeheartedly welcome you for this session, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. We have all the students' favorite teacher, and also who known for his teaching and also clinical acumen, Guru Shantappa sir, Dr. Guru Shantappa, Professor Guru Shantappa Elagachin sir, who is head of the department at KIMS Hubli, with us today. Is also a surgery mentor of the White Army. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. Guru sir, are you there?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Needless to introduce him, all the medical students across the country or abroad knows him by name or by his contributions to the field. Yes, your guess is correct. SRB sir, he's fondly known as SRB sir or Sriram Bhatt sir. His contribution to the surgery field is immense. Even now, maybe just last minute also, he would have been writing some new book, I'm sure, for that matter. It's a legend. Again, most passionate about teaching. We know everything about him, no need of much introduction. So SRB sir, we are on all the students, all your students welcome you wholeheartedly, sir.
Thank you, Disha. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah. We also have another student's favorite teacher, HOD of medicine at KVG Medical College, Surya, and patron of White Army as well, Professor CR Bhatt sir, with us today. Welcome to you, sir, CR Bhatt sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And at another author, authoritative in his own field, and the most of the White Army videos are super hit because of his teachings. That is Archit Ballur sir. Yes, he has his own fan club among the students club. So yes, his smile, his teaching, everything's extraordinary and outstanding. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us, Archit sir.
Thank you, Kishan.
Yes, we also joined by yet another eminent personality and also author himself, Professor Rajgopal, Professor Emeritus Rajgopal Shenai sir is there with us today. Shenai sir, are you there?
Yeah, thank you, Kishan. All the best to you.
Thank
All
you
the
so
best.
much.
All
Thank
the
you, sir.
best.
Thank you, sir. And all the members and all the constant supporters of White Army, all the core members of White Army, we welcome all the students and viewers for this special session today. Without much delay, today we had a dream. We have all the platforms in the of White Army. We have around 50 to 60 WhatsApp groups for regular everyday discussions of all the MBBS subjects. We have a Instagram page consisting of more than 12,000 members for important charts and to share such study materials. We have a Facebook discussion group. We have a Telegram group. Everything we have. But what we were lacking and what we had a dream was to have a all-in-one platform of the White Army. Yes, students, our members should not be searching here and there for any study materials or any teachings. They should have, everything should be handy and convenient for them. In this regard, we have come with very shortly, with a matter of 15 days or so, we have come up with a free medical education app for all the medicos, that is the White Army medical app. So to launch this, we have the eminent personalities with us. So in the way we shall launch the app first, then we shall have the discussion about it. So with all your permission, kind permission, Chandra madam, Ashwan sir, CR Bhatt sir, Guru sir, Archit sir, and Shenai sir, we will play the launching video for you. Please be with us. Thank you so much for our app for learning. Now I shall request all our esteemed mentors and patrons of the White Army to briefly bless us with your words of wisdom and words of motivation. First, I would like to request Chandra madam to shower her blessings to us. Please, madam.
Thank you. I am so grateful
Yeah, we can hear you, ma'am.
to Kishan and all the students and colleagues for giving me an opportunity to be part of your wonderful venture. I'll just tell few points. I have made it in the form of a few PPTs. Okay. So as we know, as our Kishan clearly explained, our pledge to serve the nation with commitment and purity is the motto of this teaching learning session. So, as you know, this is our scriptures say Satyam Vada and Dharmam Chara. That means speak truth and practice Dharma. And our dharmic tradition should be kept alive as the purpose is good for all mankind. So that is what our organizing young enthusiastic Dr. Kishan Rao is doing, and we will stand with you. And we understand it is Vasudeva Kudumbagam. So many thousands of people he has incorporated, practically indicating our Vasudeva Kudumbagam. And Vayam Rastre Jagriyama Prohida, that is, let us be awake to the noble cause of our nation, that is our India, in whatever capacity we have. And we are 1/5 of the world, and if we stand together and jump, earth will move out of its axis. That is our strength, and we don't have to call ourselves underdeveloped or developing and all. We are the most developed nation in the world. Only thing we have to realize that we have to stand together to sustain the glory of our India in whatever capacity we can. And according to Indian philosophy, as you know, philosophy in India is essentially spiritual. India without spirituality is not India. And altruism of the highest order. Our wonderful Yuddha Dharmas, you see, you fight in the war, you get liberated permanently, it is said. But once you capture an opponent person, he has been doing his dharma, fighting for his country. You don't harm him. That is our Yuddha Dharma. You capture him. That is your duty in the war field. But once you captured, you don't pull out the eyes, drag, kill, torture. That should not be done according to our Yuddha Dharma. And the Raksha Bandhan philosophy, you know that when Alexander was losing in his war with the king of Humphrey, his wife will go and plead him that you take me as your brother, as your sister. And that moment when the Raksha Bandhan was tied, the war stopped. That is the dharma that existed in our country. And our ancestors thought of the world as a place for saner pursuits of truth, and also studied everything which is beyond spiritual, less than spirituality, from bird seed, science, art, the way everything is described in Bhagavatam. The baby starts developing from the one cell stage. I am surprised how this was all possible. And telepathy and clairvoyance was nothing magical in our country. So it was natural skill developed by constant practice to know everything without much help from the mechanical tools. And for us, world is not a place for fighting for power, wealth, and dominations. Our short pace through earth, which we may never traverse again, needs to be enriched for sharing and caring. And about our patience, that's a constant question in our mind, why we are hit and all those things. And disease means lack of ease. So the person who is diseased is not having ease. And there is Dhritvi Paraya, that is perverted understanding, happens when somebody is sick, because you are not in the normal health status. Understanding becomes perverted. Therefore, let us not use that blanket and say that we will be law bound and not duty bound. So our duty is our responsibility to our nation, and we will care with commitment. Let anything happen, we will be committed to our duty. And Indian thought and cultures are holistic. Samastam Sariram. Therefore, what is needed is to inculcate truth and trust slowly to the people of our Punya Bhumi by collective evaluation, so that they understand us and we understand them. Art and science of medicine is not taught by books, but at the bedside of our fellow human beings. That time should be completely utilized. And it is, the truth is, it is far from truth that contemporary medicine is all-knowing. We are still in the process of observation and learning. We have not learned anything. So nobody should imagine that we have learned everything. And there are limits even in the foreseeable future. We don't know ever we will conquer the truth of life. And both patients and doctors should work with internal control and not expect it to happen from outside. Government or police are not needed. Have a proper understanding of each one's duty and responsibility, that is sufficient. And we have to capture the spirit of humanism, re-establish a special empathy in doctor-patient relationship. That is our pledge for our country today. in gratitude to all those noble lives that were lost in obtaining freedom for this country. Salutation to our unselfish warriors in the war fields and every patriotic citizen working hard to sustain the wonder that is our nation. Next. Okay, this is from Geetanjali, Tagore's thing. That is what our young enthusiastic inventor of this program is doing. And so this we will remember this particular great man who lived for our country till few months ago in anonymity, serving this nation unselfishly. There are many such people, and he is one who left us 3 months back. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Dear friends, see, the satisfaction comes when, you know, so many students, even the, not only UGs, even the PGs, after their exams, they type such long messages. Yes, because of that White Army videos, clinical videos, we passed the exam. We were totally dependent on them for the exams. Chandra madam's videos, everything, all our mentors. See, in one college, maybe there may be one great teacher or maybe two. But in White Army, we have all the best of the teachers of our country, all are together in one platform. That's the best part, and it's really a blessing. It's not done by one person or one team or anyone. Okay, it's just a blessing. Just consider it as a best possible blessing in life. From sir, some blessing. We want more blessing from Shanai sir. Sir, are you there with us, please? Shanai sir, Rajgopal sir.
Yeah, I'm there. Kishan,
Please.
firstly.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clearly.
Thank you very much, Kishan. It's a joyful experience to be associated with the White Army, and it's army means actually truly, you know, that you have got all the majors with you to act as like a warrior to the country, especially in helping the undergraduates, I believe, and then postgraduates and rest. I wholeheartedly thank you for giving this opportunity, and best wishes from my side always. Okay, thank you.
And thank you, Commander-in-Chief. You are the Commander-in-Chief, sir. Yeah, because of you, like teachers like you, our White Army's the show is happening. Thank you so much, sir. Another legend, some legendary words. Ashwin sir, your classes are always motivating. Your classes are not just theory classes or the practical classes. It's a classes of motivation for us and inspiration too. Please, constantly keep motivating us, sir. Please, some words of wisdom from you. Amdekar sir.
At the outset, thank you very much, the White Army and Dr. Kishan Rao in particular, and Madam Chandra, who gave such a wonderful advice to all of us. I would tell the students that this White Army is taking such a wonderful steps to educate every one of us in this country. And I want to, at this point of time, remind students a few things. One is, however medical science may advance, but the art of medicine has always been the same. And I think without the art of medicine, the science fails to deliver holistic care. So don't forget the traditional wisdom of art of medicine, the kind of empathy, communication, counseling, and feeling for the patient. What best we could do is the art of medicine that is most important part, even in advancement of science. And don't forget that while you learn, all of you will pass MBBS, pass MD, MS, whatever, but the art has to be imbibed into each one of us. Without it, holistic care cannot be delivered. And what is this holistic care? It is using all the virtues of human being, the brain, the heart, the mind, and the soul. And when you translate this into clinical medicine, the brain is, of course, the knowledge, and we try to keep updated in advancing science. And what is heart? Really an empathy. We must have an empathetic attitude towards treating patients. What is mind? Mind is a commitment to do our best. And finally, friend, what is the soul? You are responsible for your own conscience, and you should do everything that your conscience asks you to do. Finally, we will learn a lot of science, but don't forget, friends, when you pass out, you are not equipped to treat the patient all by yourself. You need to do something beyond just learning and passing. So don't do rote learning. You will pass with that, but you will not be educated. So I would strongly suggest that don't forget, once you pass and get into treating patient, there will be one day when you will be the only soul between that patient and his death. If you could not salvage that, your training did not do justice to it. Friends, please learn science, but learn also hands-on cleaning. And madam said that medicine is not learned in books or in lecture halls. Medicine is learned by seeing our senior role model teachers, how they behave, how they treat, and how they finally succeed. I wish all the students the best of success, and I promise Kishan Rao that I am very lucky to be associated with you. You can count on us as long as our breath is not just the air. Thank you very much. Thank you, madam, for your advice.
It's vice versa, sir. It's vice versa, absolutely. Sir, dear friends, please just observe two of the legends in their own field. One is one of the greatest neurologists. One more is a hardcore pediatrician we have. And they're legends in their own fields and in our country as well. Both of their realizations, see, they have done so much into their field, so much of learning, research, study, everything. But the ultimate realization is we treat, he cures. That's what the madam also said, and the sir's words also. So such that empathy, the nature of we have started one more social service, sir, for your kind information. We have started from White Army. We have a social service platform called Empath Society. It's called One Who Has Empathy. It's we have been doing social services in old age homes, orphanages, in army camps and elsewhere, where we go and do the free medical camps and awareness sessions and etc. So even we feel the same in the White Army. We feel empathy is one of the highest virtues, especially for a medical professional. Thank you so much, sir, for those words of wisdom. Now we have another one of my favorite teachers and retired HOD of Bangalore Medical College, Department of OBG. Now currently HOD at Atal Bihari Medical College and Bowring Hospitals, Bangalore. Professor Malini KV, madam. Madam, welcome to you. Are you there? Malini, madam?
Yeah, I'm very much there, Kishan. I didn't expect this invitation from you. First of all, I'm really proud and I should congratulate you for creating this group. And I'm proud because it is my student, one of my students, favorite students has created this platform so that many students can be benefited all over the country. And I really feel privileged to be a part of this White Army, I should say. And I hope our efforts will produce doctors with compassion and empathy. That's what we all hope. Hope our teachings will be useful for all of you, and wish you all the best.
Thank you, madam. You're not just taught me in the medical college, but also inspired from my college days. You have been inspiring me since college days, and please continue to do so. You are always with us, madam, as a teacher, mentor, and guide. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. I'll be with you, people, like whenever you need me. Yeah. As much as possible, like whatever service I can give to the society, I will do that. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Yeah.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Yeah. Now we have Guru sir, Guru Shantappa sir, one of the major mentors of White Army with us, HOD of KIMS Hubli. Sir, your words of wisdom, please.
Yeah, Kishan, it's a nice gesture from you, and you have chosen a right day for expressing or launching this app. You have chosen the right day. But only my worry is you should not become independent, forgetting all of us to run this app, because it is on the lighter side. First of all, I really enjoyed Dr. Chandra Madam's and Yashwant sir's words. Really, yeah, it is worth joining today's meeting. There are a lot of information in that, lot of meaning, and even many of us should understand each word and the sentence what both of them have put as a senior faculty in the team. Probably I may divide like I do for the students this because you asked me to speak for a few minutes. I'll divide into three parts. One may be pertaining to the White Army with Kishan Rao. And second, what is going to help all the students, both UGs and PGs. Third, like both the two senior legends have expressed what exactly they should be doing. First thing, I'm happy that I'm in a group, White Army, which is helping a lot of students, which I came to know through many of my undergraduates and postgraduates in learning many things, both clinical and theoretical aspects. More so during that last 2 years where everybody was fed up not coming to nearer to the patients and the wards. Definitely it was a boon for them to learn many things. Second, we have a leader like Kishan, like where you have gathered all of us with so beautiful smile and beautiful request from you. You have gathered us, all of us, without any hesitancy. All of us just accept your invitation whenever you call us for requesting for some case discussions or something. Probably our mind will never say, yeah, I will call you tomorrow, or I will probably even you have sent a message. We have replied in the positive manner. So I don't know, it goes with the persons rather than somebody representing. So I feel you are the good leader, young, energetic and unbiased mind, like a child, where you want to give something to the students without any compulsion, without any restrictions. That is an excellent way of doing something to the society, more so with education. I appreciate that. And third, for the students, where both our legends have expressed, I'll give a small example pertaining to surgical specialty. If I am taking a clinical case scenario with CA breast or thyroid or a malignancy, and I say that, yes, this is a hard consistency which will go point in favor of malignancy, the same thing we assess even in the examination, which I feel it is wrong. Because that candidate may not be knowing what exactly is the hard consistency, because probably he must have not felt, he must have not examined, he must have not touched the swelling. But he knows that hard consistency is CA breast. So that is one way. Recently, last few days back, we had a MS examination where, there are many candidates. Most of them had passed, more than 90%. But when they examined posterior 1/3 of the tongue, how will you examine posterior 1/3 of the tongue for lesion there when you have a secondary in the neck? I was really unhappy to see the way they were answering the question. This can come only if they examine the case. Both Dr. Yashwant and Dr. Chandra Madam have expressed this. This comes only by examination, repeated examination, only touching the patient, only going nearer to the patient, you can smell something abnormal, not sitting in four walls in front of the system. Our way of doing this, White Army, what we are doing, we are guiding them, giving some information. Yes, this is how it is. But if they take only this, forgetting examining the patient and answering and questioning and getting the marks, probably they are going in the wrong track. So my request and my suggestion to all the students who are along with us, don't be carried away with videos, don't be carried away with talks, what we are giving you, and answer the questions and get the marks and proceed to next PG and specialty and go off like that. Please, please. So you go back, whatever we teach here, go to the wards by some means, see that at least you examine around 5 cases, 5 patients or 5 diseases for every, whether it is medicine, surgery, OBG, whatever the case you are heard from White Army, examine, confirm that yes, hard means it is hard, soft means it is like this. ಈಗ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಮಿತ್ತೆ, ತಿಂದವನೇ ಬಲ್ಲ ಬೆಲ್ಲದ ರುಚಿಯ. So it has to be, if you say hard, it is hard. Only it can be felt, it cannot be described. It cannot be described. So please understand this way of learning, then only you will become a good clinician. Like Dr. Yashwant sir mentioned, looking at his seniority, unless we put our clinical acumen, probably we cannot become good clinicians. Even to become a good surgeon, we should have a good clinical acumen. Like yesterday, I saw when you wound up, Kishan, I was entering the OT for emergency gangrenous cholecystectomy. It was just my hand, which I said, they were surprised. Nodre, idu tondre ide, serious idane patient to investigation ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. 3 days patient was treated somewhere. So I insist for my in fact, I take my undergraduate's hand and I make them to feel whenever I have some important clinical examination finding during rounds. So please concentrate on clinical examination of the patient. Please concentrate on speaking to them. Please concentrate on various options available for a single disease. Please concentrate on various investigation with minimum possible expenses. So if you keep these principles in diagnosis and treatment, probably all our students will become good clinicians. They will become an asset to the society, asset to their parents, asset to all the medical college. And I hope few of them should become teachers out of them, not only practicing and becoming big people. No, please join teaching institute. Please become good teachers, because unless we have good teachers, otherwise next generation probably it is really going to be pathetic. So please motivate all of us. I think we should motivate to become good teachers. Like I'm proud here, Dr. Nishant, who has become a good mentor for many people. Like that, if few of us can motivate, that is going to be a good. Like Madam said, we are not underdeveloped or we are not developing. She has put rightly. Yes, as far as the medical profession is concerned, definitely we have lessons in all the specialties, whatever you take, whatever the organ transplant, whatever the laparoscopic surgery, only it needs good platform. And Kishan, thank you very much for having included me in this group. And thoroughly I enjoy whenever I'm in the group. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.
Guru sir, you know something?
Yeah.
You know something? Most important thing, our app, the White Army app, is purely dedicated to, like you mentioned, the pioneers of our medical field and selfless, passionate teachers like you, sir.
Thank you.
Nothing else.
Thank you.
Nothing else. Our app, the White Army app, is dedicated to the pioneers in our the doyens, the pioneers who brought out from the shackles of varied diseases, and also the teachers like you, the mentors like Chandra Madam or Ashwin sir or you, who brought us from the shackles of ignorance, who imparted us with the best of the best knowledge. So it's totally dedicated to you, sir, wholeheartedly. Thank you so much for, please accept it.
Thank you.
And now we have SRB sir with us, Professor Sriram Bhatt sir, HOD of KMC Mangalore, to shower his blessings on us. SRB sir, please.
Thank you, Kishan. Before starting, little bit to talk about my respect to senior teachers like Chandra Madam and Yashwant sir and other senior teachers. Definitely, everybody needs their blessings. And I will highlight about little bit about philosophy, a little bit about profession. Philosophy is there are two things we always think, or anybody, any profession, there is a need for us, basic need in our life. That is, one is food and clothes. Second is shelter. We should have a shelter. Third is important for all of us, ambition. So I am ambitious. I have come from a remote part of the country. I have become surgeon. I have become HOD, and so on. I have reached whatever it is. I am ambitious. That is good. But greed is very dangerous to every one of us. Greed is beyond need. There is a dialogue. That's why you have to remember. Greed is dangerous also. Dangerous not only to you, to society also. So I request all students, you should have a need, you should have ambition, but never be greedy. Greedy is dangerous. That's the one thing. Second thing is, as we grow up in this profession, especially after post-graduation, initial phases of your career, eventually we'll come to know, Guru knows that, initially those who have finished MS, they'll feel that they'll do everything, they will master everything, they are everything. So slowly, once things bite on them, especially patients, then slowly they will come down. So you should have a confidence on your own. That is very, very important to deal in the profession and basic life in society. Confidence is very, very important, but never be egoistic. There is a clear difference between the confidence and ego. I should be confident. That means I know I can manage. I am dealing with this, yes. But the ego is, I am the only person managing. Only Sriram Bhatt is doing. It is not so. Guru also will do. Everybody will do. If I am not there, somebody else is there to run the system. So that point, everyone of us has to remember, we cannot be egoistic. You have to be confident. And you need not lose confidence also. Confidence is important. Never be egoistic. Ego will kill you. That point is very, very important. Remember, every juniors, every youngsters, that should be the way of life. We should have a confidence, never be egoistic. It will ruin you, it will dip you. Third thing is you have to learn to respect everybody. Be humble, have a humility. You will become a great person. That is the nature you have to cultivate on your own in due course of time, especially in this profession. Because basically, especially clinical profession, we are dealing with public. We are part of the social system. Every day we see poor man, middle class man, bank employee, politician, bureaucrats, police people, different categories of people will come. We learn to learn. The moment they enter your clinic, we know by their body language, we know what type of person they are. So accordingly, we tune ourselves to speak to them. So we should learn to respect everybody independent of their backup, or they come. Why they come to you is for illness. That point we have to remember. So our business is to respect them always, whoever they are. So that point is very, very important. Respect all, and then only we can get respect from others. So that's very, very crucial in our professional life as well as in social life. Second thing is we need to learn from everyone. It is not possible to learn surgery. For example, surgery is so vast. And I used to tell surgery is all or none, and surgery is very easy to learn and very difficult to learn and very easy to forget. You learn surgery today, everything. Tomorrow you don't remember anything. And it's like mathematics. If you don't know every point, don't know any point, you are lost. So surgery is very easy to, or any medical subject is very easy to forget. So students tend to forget more. So at the end of the day, net result is less. So you have to repeat. It is a repetitive reading, repetitive seeing patient, repetitive clinical exam. Repetition is the basic concept in our profession. If you have seen one thyroid, see 100 thyroids. 101st thyroid may be totally different. So repetition is the success need for success in our profession. So you have to learn from everyone. Your student, there is nothing wrong in learning from your junior. Junior also will teach something. Senior, you can learn from senior. You can learn from colleague. You can learn from ward sister. Everybody. So learn, be vigilant. Learn from everybody. There should not be any hesitation to learn from everybody. Good thing you can learn from everyone. You should be like that. And second thing is commitment in our profession is slowly going off. You are mostly focused on money. We are mostly focused on achievement, faster achievement. Tomorrow only I want to become a very big person and so on. See, in our profession, it's very, very slow. It's a step ladder. Slow, one by one. To reach a top level needs a lot of time, needs a lot of patience. Commitment, daily commitment. It's like a test match, it's not one day match, not T20 match, and so on. Let's test a series it is. So commitment throughout, along to reach a top level is needed. So it should not lose patience, and don't be overnight I'll become a big man. There's nothing like that. There's no need to be like that. You learn daily, learn every day, be committed. And last thing I want to tell is there are very balanced professional system in currently in our society. We have to face legal issues, you have to face crowd, you have to face hospital administration, you have to face government administration, you have to face bureaucrats. You have to balance everything. So you may be hero today. Today you have done a big surgery, patient became all right. You are a big hero. Evening you are doing a surgery, even in spite of your good effort, you have lost the patient, you are becoming a villain. So the moment you lose a patient, everybody thinks that you are a villain. The moment you gain a patient, people think that you are a hero. So you should have a very balanced mind like Krishna. Chitta Prajna, it is called as. We should balance. We shouldn't not get elated that I have done well, everybody praise me like a hero. We should not get depressed so much. If somebody blames you, you should have a balance. You should have your own understanding, your own methodology to what you are. You should have a confidence on your own. So that is the point you have to remember in the current system. Be hero or villain. We have a balance between a hero and villain. We should be able to accept both in our profession, either of these, like a Chitta Prajna. So that is the about. And thank you, Kishan. So all students do well. This profession is a long way. All of you will do well with the blessings of all seniors. Professor Rajagopal Chennai is also my teacher. He was doing my senior postgraduate there in KMC Mangalore. He taught me a lot. I respect him a lot. Guru is my colleague in HOD. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Kishan. Thank you for this opportunity for a few minutes. I wish you all the best for White Army. I'm always with the White Army. Thank you, one and all.
Dear friends, soon
Yeah,
once we
friends.
become doctor, soon we will realize. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Dear friends, once we become doctor, now soon we will realize what we learned is something and what we're going to practice is totally different. See, what sir told is everything from his own experience. These are not written in any books. This can be learned from the experience teachers like him. So it's worth listening to such mentors and teachers like him. So hope we will all get privileged by their experiences as well. So next we have Professor C.R. Bhatt sir, HOD of Medicine at KVG Medical College, Sullia, with us. He's also one of the senior mentors of our White Army. He's there with us from the beginning. Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your continued blessings.
Good evening.
Please, some word for us.
Good evening, everyone. My respected teachers, legendary people, and all the faculty and members of the White Army. At the outset, I wish everyone the happy Independence Day. On this auspicious day, you have launched a very, 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 very wonderful app. You know, in the past 1.5 years, I mean, of course, you have started your White Army for quite long back, maybe 6 years ago, including the book. I have seen your translation book also, very useful for our outside state students, very useful. They all carry your book with Kannada, English translation, medical language. That also I have seen a very wonderful work. And in the past 1.5 years, when I involved in your distinct sessions, what actually was the thing is the COVID pandemic. All the physical classes and of course the legendary Guru sir also said you need to feel, but the patient do not come to the ward. Patient, there is no teaching session. All the residents are posted into one particular COVID ward or COVID duty. Most of the things were cancelled. In spite of that, exams were postponed and the teaching session was cancelled. In such a situation, your White Army teaching has come a big way. Of course, I do agree. I do emphasize that the personal one-to-one interaction with the patient and the as the sir said, the feeling of the swelling or whatever it audible the murmur, everything is needed. But at least part of that, your White Army team is doing a wonderful job. And it's a part of Ubuntu. You are sharing your knowledge, putting together everyone's knowledge into the betterment of the community, student community who are deprived. In that, I would say that you are part of the medical institution. Running a single medical institution requires so many departments, so many resources, but you are at least the knowledge sharing without any cost. You are doing it seamlessly. Hats off to you. Wonderful job. And on top of that, you have started your app, which is free to everyone. You said it is app. It's free to everyone, which includes all the teaching session which has been done in the past 1.5 to 2 years. A wonderful job. So any student who wants to learn can go through Archie's lecture or SRB sir's lecture or Chandra Madam lecture. I have gone to her department even before going to the Nimans. She joined Nimans. I have gone to the Alleppey College for one of her CME. Madam, thank you very much. You have done a wonderful job. So everyone, yeah, same way from the Nimans, you have, Jayadeva, you have included so many teachers. Very good. Sessions are very good. It is really helping the student, both UG, as well as the teachers, as well as everyone should be learner. We are all learners till the end. So we are all with you. Thank you very much for the opportunity to be associated with the White Army. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Sir, our concern is, sir, KVG students are anyway privileged to learn from you, sir.
No,
okay. We want all the students across the country to get the best of the knowledge, medicine knowledge. That's
yes,
why
that is the purpose of you. The thing it will serve. Yes.
White Army, sir. That's the advantage of White Army because everyone gets to learn uniformly from the best. Otherwise, some may not be so privileged to learn. So
yeah, that's why you said you have included everyone to one university.
Yes, sir. For pediatrics, Ambedkar is the best in our country. So all the students across the country get to learn from him uniformly. So the uniform teaching is important for all the medical students. And like Guru sir mentioned, there is no, even we believe that there is no substitution for, even now we emphasize the same even with our clinical classes. There should be clinical examination, bedside clinical learning, and also individually we should go and examine the patient. That's all there, sir. But during the lockdown time, like you mentioned, like 1.5 years, most of us are we're not able to do so. But in such a scenario, you made it very virtual with the case scenarios, photos, the real photos. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It may be still worth to do video demonstration. And as sir said, it may be rude. You can take the horse to the water. Drinking the water is from the individuals.
And
Yeah.
one more thing you mentioned about the language of healthcare books, sir. I would like to, I feel really good about that, sir. Now it has come, that book, Language of Healthcare phrase book. Initially, I had written in when I was in Kolkata, I had written in English, Bengali. I learned Bengali in a span of 2-3 months, and I had written a book. And in that, then I translated to English, Kannada. But now it has come up in all the major languages of India, sir. Like we have English Tamil, English Malayalam, English Telugu, English Gujarati, English Assami, English Hindi, and one more is English Marathi. So we have all the e-books are available for our VITAM members, and most of them are getting the benefit out of these books, especially for clinical history taking and examination part. So thank you so
Great,
much.
it's very
sir.
helpful. We all with you. Wish you all the best in the new endeavor. Yeah.
You are the show runner, sir. You should be there to run the show. Otherwise, it's impossible. Sir, Archit Balur, sir, we are all awaiting from almost 45 minutes to listen to you, sir. All our favorite Archit, sir, is with us.
Yeah, good evening, Kishan. And possibly, I think I'm one of the last to join the White Army. Maybe I think I've been associated with you only since November. And I think, yeah, I have had the privilege of taking quite a few sessions. And I think it's opened up.
Maybe short time, but the impact is tremendous, sir.
No, that's a different thing. But then I think it is opened. It is opened, like, it's opened the entire world to me, possibly, from where I was teaching for me to my students, maybe in my college alone. And it's opened up possibly the entire world to me. I think as we were discussing the other day, it's not only in India. We have people from various parts of the world who are subscribing to your channel, and they are seeing seeing the classes that we deliver. And I think it's something which is like just a unique thing that's been happening. And all the credit and all the good work that you have been doing, I think it's coming into a good form in the form of this app. And I'm very sure it's going to be very, very successful. And I wish you and all the core team members all the best. And I can assure you that I will support, and whatever support and all those things we're going on will continue as ever. And I think all the teachers who have been there have told all the points there about whatever has to be imbibed from them. And I think each one of us should take all those points and incorporate amongst each one of us and proceed from here on. Thank you, Kishan.
Archit sir is such a wonderful teacher. Whatever we want, just directly we request sir. Sir, tomorrow we need like this class on Viva. Tomorrow students are having exams. They're not having DNV students are having exams tomorrow. They're not having any proper classes there. So we need a OSCE session from you. Yes, ready. He prepared some 120 slides and covered almost entire medicine in 2, 3, 4 classes. So like that, whenever we are in need, Archit sir is always there with us. And yes, like you mentioned, now he has become so popular among the students. They are always behind him for his lectures, his classes, and also his book also has become so popular. All over the country, students are reading his books. Thank you so much, sir. We are also joined by 2 of the junior mentors of our White Army, Dr. Suraj Muralidhar and Dr. Krishna Rao with us. Please, briefly, 2 words of motivation for the students, please. Suraj first and then Krishna Rao. Suraj, are you there? Okay. Krishna Rao, are you there? Okay. Dr. Sunil Kalmat, sir, for the mentors, so it's White Army means it's mainly the teachers. The White Army means it's teachers. It's known for the best of the teachers. But we also, there is a behind the scenes, one team is working selflessly for the putting a lot of hard work and effort to make this happen today. So it's a great privilege for me to introduce my core team to you all. Hope you all might have heard for your sessions, moderating the sessions and hosting the sessions, few of the core members. But today, officially, I would like to introduce my few of the important core members to you. First, we have one of my inspirations, Dr. Sunil Kalmat, sir, with us. He's a radiologist now. Sir, please introduce yourself to the mentors. Please switch on the video and please introduce. Dr. Sunil Kalmat, are you there? Okay. Dr. Vijay Balaji. Dr. Vijay Balaji, please. We can't hear you, Vijay.
Good evening,
Yeah, are you there?
respected teachers. Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah, clearly.
It's a great privilege to be amidst so many of the legends of our country. If we learn from every word, I think every word has been an inspiration from all of them. So it's a great privilege, and special thanks to Dr. Kishan sir for bringing us all together. That's it, sir. Currently, I'm a final year medicine resident from.
Second year MD resident at MS Ramaya Medical College, Bangalore, and he is the pillar and the strength of the White Army core team. Thank you so much, Vijay, for being with us. Next, we have Ashray Patel. Dr. Ashray Patel.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Please introduce the teachers.
Yes. I'm Dr. Ashray Patel. I'm currently doing MD Pediatrics at Bangalore Medical College, first year MD Pediatrics, and always thankful for all the mentors. Like as soon as we mail them or message them for even a single message of us, they all eagerly agree to come and teach all of us, all the students. So all of us are being helped by this, and very great initiative has been taken now to organize everything. And this great initiative has been taken by Dr. Kishan Anna, and congrats to you also, Anna. And we are, as usual, we are all there to support for this cause of free education. And yeah, that's it.
Ashray, but this is not good. Okay, you are exploiting their weakness actually. Okay, you know they will never say no to you for teaching. So you simply previous night you just message them, Ambedkar sir, please take a class tomorrow. You know he never say no. This is not good. You are exploiting their weaknesses that they cannot say no for the teaching, right?
It is their gratefulness, and it is their gratefulness.
Please inform them 1 week before and do the sessions at their conveniences. Okay. Thank you so much, Ashray. Yes. Dr. Meghana, are you there? Dr. Meghana?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm very much privileged to attend and have great thoughts of all the legends over there. Now I'm the post intern. I have completed my UG in KIMS Hubli. We'll be always there for the selfless support, Anna.
Thank you. Yeah, Meghana is also she's there since the beginning. Now currently she's a post intern. She did from a UG from KIMS Hubli. Thank you so much, Meghana. Next we have
Kishan. Yeah. She did not take any names, no, even though she's from KIMS Hubli. You are insisting.
Why? Guru sir is here with us.
I don't know. It's all right.
So to mention, I'm always the great fan of Guru Shantappa sir. Yeah, all Kimsians are fans of you.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Dr. Anand Hegde, again from KIMS Hubli. Anand, are you there?
Yes, I'm there, sir. Sir, I'm an intern in KIMS Hubli, sir. I'm very happy to be a part of this White Army, and I'm a fan of all the teachers, including our sir, HOD sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, sir.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, sir. I'm very happy to be part of this White Army. I'm learning from you all legends, and thank you so much to be including me this White Army team.
Dr. Sangappa, are you there? Please, all the core members, please be ready. Okay, quickly. Dr. Sangappa. Miss Pallavi. Miss Pallavi.
Hello, good. Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everybody. I am Pallavi, fourth year MBBS student from Mysore Medical College. It's a privilege to be a part of White Army, and I'm very, very thankful to all our mentors for guiding us, and special thanks to Kishan Anna for including me in this core team. I'm very thankful to everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Miss Priya Ashok.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, clearly.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Priya Ashok. I'm a fourth year medical student at Ramaya Medical College. First of all, this is a great privilege to be on White Army, to be on this platform with all our esteemed mentors and all our core members and our members of White Army. And I would like to thank all our mentors, Kishan sir, for this wonderful opportunity that we have here. I mean, like presenting sessions and presenting cases on White Army, attending sessions. I've learned this one thing, that it's not just about being perfect with that particular session, or it's not possible for us to like learn everything in one day, but each session gives us some insight. All the mentors give us this great deal of insight, which I carry forward for every day, and it like helps me to learn a lot. So thank you, everybody.
Great words. Thank you so much, Priya. Ashna, are you there?
Very good evening,
Ashna?
sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
A very good evening to all the teachers and mentors present here. Before saying anything, I would like to say a big thank you to Kishan sir and all our seniors and all my fellow core members. I joined White Army about a year back, and I have seen the change in me, the way it's making me a better student, and by God's grace, a better doctor in future. I would also like to thank all our mentors and teachers who are always there with us, who are always there to guide us and to impart us with like great knowledge, which we'll need. So thank you so much, sir.
Nice. Mr. Kunj?
Yes, sir. Good evening, everybody. Yes, sir. So I'm Kunj Jabuwala, currently in final year MBBS from Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College, San Hospital, Mumbai. And I would like to thank each and everybody, all the mentors, all the teachers, and even Kishan sir for like making us learn and presenting cases, which helps in instilling confidence with like talking with the patients and getting the proper history and how to go about with the day-to-day interactions. It helped me a lot in my third year and fourth year MBBS, and will help me throughout my life. Thank you very much, sir. Indebted to you all for life, sir.
Yes. Ashmita, Miss Ashmita Jain.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, clearly.
A hearty good evening to all the respected teachers, mentors who are present here, and my fellow White Army members and the core team members. I still can't believe that I am part of this such a valued society. Like, it feels like a dream when I listen such teachers live, like those teachers whom we have only seen through books. They teaching us live in front of us is something that we can't even imagine. Like, it is always a dream to attend a person whom you have admired so much, like Archit Bulur sir and all other teachers, like whom we have only seen through books, whom we had only seen in our books, and now we get to interact with them live. And the way they teach, the way they the way they convey their learning points and everything for us, it is like, especially in the times of the COVID pandemic, I think I am the youngest core member over here. I'm a third year medical student, third year MBBS from SAIT GSMC and KEM Hospital, Mumbai. I am so very indebted to Dr. Kishan Rao sir for inviting me to be a part of this beautiful White Army family, and I'll ever be grateful to him. And a big thanks to all the mentors. I think the mentors don't have an actual idea of what impact they are having on the society by the sessions that they are taking for us. It is like all we are doing right now in this pandemic is sitting with our phones, sitting with our books, and cramming a ton of knowledge every day. But that is not going to help us. We all know what we need is the clinical touch, and that is coming only and only through White Army in the current times. So a big thanks to, and just heartfelt thanks to all the White Army teachers, and may your blessings and guidance be always there with us. Thank you so much.
Wonderful, wonderful. Mr. Shravan Kashyap. Shravan, are you there? Please.
So yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
Yeah. Shravan, after that, Dr. Sunil Kalmat. Dr. Shravan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please introduce yourself to that.
So this is very sudden for me. I didn't expect that. This is very sudden for me. Didn't expect to be talking all of a sudden. I'm very grateful. I had been a part of White Army for a short period of time, but it was a really amazing time for me. And I think the greatest thing that White Army has done is every place, every college, and every time there has been a deficiency in some form of learning, White Army has somehow or the other come together to make sure all those deficiencies which are present all over are covered up. And it has served for so many of us as students who are usually who would have been localized to only one small college, to be able to see a much bigger picture that none of us would have actually seen if it was not for White Army. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Shravan is a fourth-year student at MBJ Medical College, Bangalore. Thank you so much, Shravan. And now we have Dr. Sunil Kalmat speaking to us.
Good evening, everyone. It's a privilege to be part of White Army, and congratulations to Kishan, the whole White Army team, and all the respected seniors, faculty members, and esteemed teachers. I am an interventional radiologist at Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. The whole idea of White Army was actually quite a humble beginning, where I think it was a few of the cold winter nights that Kishan and I were sitting together and just having a quiet dinner after work during the hectic residency. And then we were just discussing about how we have a wealth and ton of knowledge in our country. And that is something that we should definitely make sure that that's quite democratic and be available for everybody in the country. And that was a spark. That was a very humble idea that we all began with. And it's quite a tearful moment, honestly. And it's a very emotional moment for me that this is now spread into such a huge movement. I wouldn't say it's an organization or a society, but it's more of a movement, a very made in India movement that has taken the entire world by storm. And it's all in part due to the effort of everyone involved, and the guidance and the leading light of the esteemed teachers and senior faculty who are showing the path for us in every single way. And for all of this, the whole app and the launch and all of this to be happening on the Independence Day, that I think speaks millions of where all of this is coming from. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, we really had a special evening today on this auspicious Independence Day, and I hope this is just a trial version now for your information. We had a short 15 days of time. Now, this moment, I would like to introduce one special person with you all today, Mr. Nikhil. He is the one who developed. We had a privilege, like we had this in mind, that we should develop an app. But to do that, we needed a engineer, a software engineer maybe. But we didn't have we had some time constraints during our residency. We had a time constraint to sit with them, explain ABCD of the medical, and do everything. In such a time, we are really blessed to have a engineering dropout presently doing medical 4th year in BIMS Belagaum. Mr. Nikhil, who came up to develop this app for us, the White Army. Mr. Nikhil, please introduce yourself, and we are really indeed thankful to you for doing such a wonderful job. Mr. Nikhil, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there, sir.
Please.
It's my pleasure working with you, sir. I'm really happy. It feels really very happy when my handmade application was launched by the best medical teachers of the country. So really thank you so much, sir. We'll be working with you. And actually speaking, sir, I was doing this to my clients just for the sake of my pocket money. But when I received your order, like, I felt really responsible, sir. Like, my app is gonna reach lakhs. So I really feel very happy, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
And Nikhil, really sorry in front of all. I apologize you for all the irritations day. Okay, night. I don't know how much I irritated you. Okay, but
Yes,
yeah, we did it, man. We did it really. Okay, hope this app, whatever efforts we have put in, this will, if it helps the maximum students out there, then we will be, all our efforts will be fulfilled. All our whatever the dreams we have, that will be satisfied. Okay. So we'll be together. We'll be doing much more things, much more initiatives to come. Okay.
Yes,
So thank you so much, Nikhil. Can you have your face to be shown to all our mentors and all the viewers, please? Nikhil, once.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
With a student at Belagaum. Thank you so much, Nikhil. Yes, thus we conclude this special session of launching. So this is just a trial version now. We have tried to upload as much of study materials as possible, and all the mentors videos are available subject wise and mentor wise. Now all the easy, convenient way. So soon we'll be uploading much more study materials, and we'll make it more user friendly, and though it's a hassle free. The app is no need to worry about the ads of YouTube or the disturbances in between and all. Here we made it very user friendly, edited videos, ad free videos, and it's well organized, in a very categorically organized. So you get the case PPTs, case proformas, and related study materials, everything, and the motivational videos, everything all in one place. Okay. So we need all our teachers and mentors blessings and special guidance throughout. Because of them only it's all possible today. So we are ever thankful and ever grateful to them. In fact, we are ever indebted to them. And once again, we on the behalf of all the members who are privileged by them, who are who you are the one who made a difference in our life. Like you said, the teachings, like the teaching part is different, and the inspirational part is totally different. You are the one who not just taught us the basics of medical, but also made us a better human being and also better doctor, maybe, from your words of experience and wisdom. Once again, I would like to thank Chandra Madam, Amdekar Sir, and Shanai Sir, SRB Sir, Guru Sir, CR Bhatt Sir, Archit Balur Sir, and Malini Madam, and all the other faculties, all the mentors of White Army, and also core members of White Army, and special thanks to Nikhil and all our members of White Army for the continued support and guidance, and also for cooperation. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Kishan. Thank you, Kishan. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, madam. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.